Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2021. Question number 8b. A water turbine of runner diameter 1.2 meter works with a head of 112 meter of water, 5 meter cube per second of flow and produces a power of 2700 kilowatts at a speed of 400 rpm. A 1/4 size model of the water turbine is required to be tested in a laboratory. The maximum head available in the laboratory is 8 meter of water. Determine 1. The flow rate required to be planted. 2. The speed at which the model is to be tested. 3. The output of the model. So we know that the flow rate is directly proportional to d cube into n because it is meter cube per second. And the turbine speed or the compressor speed is u is directly proportional to dn, and u is directly proportional to inlet velocity and inlet velocity directly proportional to head. So we can say dn is directly proportional to h. So here d1 d and n can be written as root h. So q is equal to d square root h. So q1 by q2 is equal to d1 square root h 1 divided by d2 square root h2. So d1 by d2 is your uh, d as 1/4 model is there, so the ratio will be 4. As 1.2 meter diameter of prototype is 1, so diameter of model will be 0.3. And h1 is 112 and h2 is 8. So putting and q1 is 5. So putting this value we can get q2 is 0.08351 meter cube per second. And the speed at which model tests, so q1 by q2 is equal to d1 cube n1 divided by d2 cube n2. Okay, from this, and d1 by d2 ratio is 4, n1 is 400, n2 is unknown, q1 is 5, and q2 is this, so n2 comes as 427.61 meter per second. And power third is power is equal to qh because it is root kdh into efficiency. So it is equal to qh. So p1 by p2 is equal to q1 h1 divided by q2 h2. So p1 is 2700, p2 is unknown, q1 is 5 and q2 is 0.08351, h1 is 112 and h2 is 8. So p2 comes as 3.2211 kilowatt.